In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Relume designs into Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or new to the platform, this guide will simplify your workflow and save you time. Let's get started by heading over to Webflow. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Webflow's main website, which serves as a powerful visual website builder for creating custom sites. Once you're on the Webflow page, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button located prominently on the home page. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. Webflow offers a range of features for creating responsive websites, so having an account will be beneficial for exploring all its capabilities. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as this is where you'll be doing all your project management. From the dashboard, our next step is to find the marketplace. This is an essential step because the marketplace is where you'll access various libraries and templates that can help streamline your design process. Once you've located the Marketplace tab, click on it, and you'll enter a world of design resources. Within the Marketplace, locate and click on the Libraries section. Libraries in Webflow are collections of templates and components that can be readily used within your projects, making your design work both easier and faster. Now that you're in the Libraries section, click on Browse Webflow Libraries. This is where you can find diverse design elements to support your projects. As you explore these libraries, remember that they can greatly enhance your creativity and efficiency by providing pre-built elements. In this browsing session, search specifically for the Relume Library Lite. Once you find it, click on it. The Relume Library Lite is a fantastic resource that includes a variety of design components specifically crafted for Webflow. These components are easy to integrate and adapt within your projects. With that, you've successfully accessed the Relume library in Webflow. Take your time exploring the different components available in this library. Integrating them into your next project is just a matter of a few clicks. This process not only helps in efficiently using design components, but also significantly reduces the amount of time spent on creating designs from scratch. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging powerful design capabilities in your Webflow projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!